Good afternoon, explorers.
It's a rainy day here. Hopefully the rain will stay away for just a little bit so we can eat.
Yeah.
So today we're at the World of Food Trucks. We didn't know this place existed until we watched one of our favorite channels called Off Our Couch, and they had been here a couple months ago, so we're gonna go check it out. There are like 40 food trucks here, right? And most of it is Latin and Spanish, but they did have some Japanese, Chinese. There was a little bit of Italian. I saw a Peruvian one.
Yeah.
And I'm not quite sure what else. We'll have to see when we get there.
I don't know. But while we're here, we're also going to check out the Visitors Flea Market because it looks like there's a lot of cool stuff inside.
There's a flea market next to it too, and there's an arcade. If you like to shoot guns, there's Machine Gun America.
Yeah.
I'm not sure what it is, but
so it does look pretty cool, but I mean, you know, well, that's not really our bag, so.
Yeah, this place is actually located on 192, right across from Old Town. We're gonna sample a whole bunch here.
Yeah, we're gonna check it out. So
let's go get some food, and then maybe we'll check out the flea market. I saw that they had a bunch of toys and stuff like that. You know, things for collectibles.
Yeah. All right, let's go.
There's so many of them to choose from.
You guys would not believe the smells coming off of these food trucks. If I had the ability to do it, I would try something from each one of them.
More trucks. Doesn't seem like a lot of them are open though. Oh yeah, this is all avocado stuff. Oh yeah, and the school bus one. We'll go check that one out in a minute.
Everywhere you could sit is actually all wet.
I carry stuff, so
you do have a towel, so she comes prepared, but I don't even know if it's going to sop up everything.
Luckily I had this nice little towel, so we cleaned it all up. I think we're just gonna do where we get a little bit of everything and then we all try it. We did notice that not all of the food trucks are open today, and maybe that's because it's raining, or maybe because there's a hurricane that's heading this way. Who knows? Okay, so I think we're gonna stop here. This will be our first stop. It's called Somos Los Originales, and I think we're gonna. All these trucks have pictures, which is good because you wouldn't know what it was if it didn't. But I think we're gonna get the empanada and the pinchos because that looks good.
Yeah.
So I think this is a long line, so we got to get in it.
So one of the deciding factors is how long the line is. And this is actually a really long line, but it must be the food is good enough.
Yeah. But it hasn't moved, so I'm hoping it'll move soon.
One long, angry line later.
Alright.
So we decided to go with this truck instead. They had the exact same food and the other one was just not moving at all.
Yeah, and they're still not moving. They're still in the same spot.
Yeah, they came out of the window to say they may win somebody shortly, but the line's just packing up.
And it's starting to drizzle, so we want to grab some stuff before it starts raining.
Same food, but we'll show you in a minute.
Yeah. Well, the rain did not hold out. As you can see, we have umbrellas. So this is what the Pingalanga is. Picalanga. We'll put the name down below, okay? It was $36, but it feeds 6 people. As you can see, it has like all kinds of stuff. Chicken wings,
sausages.
It looks like French fries.
French fries.
These were the pinchos.
Oh, pinchos. That's
yeah,
what
these are pinchos. They got the pork and the shrimp. They did not have beef. We were gonna get the beef, but they didn't have them, so we got pork and shrimp.
Yeah.
And then we got our empanadas. And then these are from that one place. It was like Toast Stones. Yeah, Toast Stones. We'll put the name down below. And then this one started with a T too, but now I can't remember. We'll put the name down below. Gage found a Philly cheesesteak. It's a Dominican Philly cheesesteak. That's interesting. Looks yummy. All right, so all this food here cost 80 bucks. Not bad. It's a huge feast. Let's dig in. Well, we finished the food. It was delicious. We got a big platter to take home with us. I think we ordered too much. I think we're gonna head over to the flea market to go check out some of the stuff that's over there.
Yeah.
So.
All right, sounds like a plan.
We got all kinds of stuff. Lots of Disney stuff. Lots of magnets.
So it doesn't look to be like there's too much AC in here, so if there is AC, it's not working too well. It's very humid in here.
I might have some of these. That's funny.
Yeah.
The collectibles. And this is what we came to look at. Supposedly, this place has all types of pops. Here you go, Gage. All types of pops.
There's the Wonder Woman one. She's looking hot.
Woohoo! Wonder Woman.
If you're a Star Wars fan, it looks like they got a lot of Star Wars stuff here. It's pretty cool.
So Gage talked them down to 50 a piece.
Yep.
And then you got the Godzilla and the King Kong. Yep. What did you get? A bendy and a one piece?
Yep.
Yeah? Awesome. All right, let's go figure out where we pay for this now. We saw him. He's a real alligator.
It's like a sauna in here. So that was a decent sized flea market. I think we might go check out an arcade, get a drink, and that might wrap it up for this one.
They have a arcade place right next door to the flea market, so we're gonna go inside and check that out next.
So we just came into the arcade. I have to say I'm impressed already, mostly because there's AC in here, so.
So I talked to the lady, you can buy different card sizes, 20, 40, 80, I think 100, and then you get extra bonus credits and all that. Each game here takes 6 to 10 credits.
Second place. Not bad, kiddo. Now Gage is going to take his shot at the VR. First place. Nice job. Looks like you can play pool here too. It's kind of cool. There's a prize counter. Looks like a lot of generic knockoff stuff, so, but oh well, it's fun for the kids.
Seems like there's a lot of fun stuff. Some of these video games are interactive. I kind of like that they move, you know, and then they have the VR system and stuff. But we're gonna do a few more things around here and then probably leave. Before we leave, we're gonna stop at Dulce Sazon, and they have like a whole list of different frappes. So I think we're each gonna get a frappe, and
So it sounds
looks good.
It does look good.
Yeah. Check out this menu though. Okay. I think those are the Kit Kat ones?
Yeah.
Okay, so Gage, take yours.
Yeah, do you want my cherry one? Or?
Okay, yeah. Let me take a picture of yours, Gage.
Okay.
Nikolai, grab yours. And then grab mom's, please. Woohoo! Yum, yum. Mine is the Hershey's Cookies and Cream, and I also got with the strawberries. It's really good. Dessert to go.
Funny story, we were putting together the video for our World of Food Truck tours and realized that we never recorded an ending.
Oopsie.
So I guess we're gonna do that now.
Yeah, so it's been weeks since we've been to the World of Food Trucks, but we're gonna do it now. So don't forget to like and subscribe if this content interests you.
Leave a comment below. Maybe you could tell us about another place where you could go to visit some food trucks.
Oh yeah, we love food trucks. They're awesome.
Yeah. Keep exploring.
Yeah, definitely. That's a good one.
And we'll catch you on the next one.